there's going to be parts of the transition sand where you swing, you're just going to get chatter. Take care of that to compensate. You hit the track button until it says tracking. Pump 6 to 12 times. Boom. Chatter gone. Easy peasy. Hello everyone, Jay here. I'm at the beach. We have the TreasurePro. We're set to beach mode sensitivity of 6. Let's get all the goodies. Somebody with Knox has been here. You see their spider coil. See if they left me anything. There, see? There's 11-inch coil, 10-inch coil. The 03 foil signal. Let's get our little candy wrappers. Alright, it's the blue one. Blue chewing gum. We have a target. No VDI. Eight inches. Alright, calling it a quarter. That's what I'm talking about. Let's take a quarter. Shake, shake, shake. Yeah. Alright, one crusty quarter. Sucker was deep. We have a 26 nickel signal. Actually, it's super jumpy. Went from 0 to 30. 6 inches. Shake, shake, shake. All right, one blue pull tab. Michelob. Have a jumpy signal. Goes into the negatives and then all the way up to the 90s. One inch. All right, Corona. A negative 17. Everyone always asks, why do I dig everything? Because finding something is better than finding nothing. Oh, I thought it was a... Oh, there it is. What? It's like a pipe. Oh. Holy crap. Oh my God. Do I want to lug this around? Oh man. Is that for the fishing poles? I'll take it to the garbage can. That's funny. That's a first. Alright, this is the same hole. They always tell you to check your holes, which I didn't do. It's overloading right there. Alright, there's the rest of it, I guess. Was that a lock? Alright, let's check it. So anyway, finding nothing. Normally, people don't dig it because it's iron. But I'll dig it. We have an iron signal, negative 50. .6 inches. saw it. There it is. All right, one more. Sucker was deep too. All right, got to get rid of it. Sand grabber. Pulling my pants down. We have a -60 iron signal. All right, 6 inches. Not it. There it is. Did I get it this time? Yep. It's a stick. Thought I felt it, man. And I still do. We're at the top of the transition sand, getting a quarter signal. Well, it's jumpy. ½ inch. Couple bottle caps maybe? Yeah! Oh no! Gotta scoop this one twice. Alright. Couple Jack Daniels. We have a penny signal, but you can see the strings. Oh. Alright, we got a sinker. Easy dig. Is that even a dig? We have a miscellaneous 40 to 50. Two inches. Alright, it's deeper than 2. And I see blue. Super glue. You always find super glue at the beach. I don't know why. Who's super gluing stuff? Oh, yeah, baby. One fossilized shark tooth. Sand tiger. Yeah. One bull shark. Little dude came from there, came to sunbathe over here. Kinda cool. We have a penny signal, 63. Six inches. Is that a string? Zip tie. Gotta be a can. That deep? Well, it's not wide. guess it is wide. It's another zip tie. Boy, a penny and a dime. I was not expecting that. How deep that was. That was weird. .28 nickel signal, right in the crab trap, the crab tracks. 4.5 inches. Let's get this pull tab. Alright, black pull tab. -24 iron. 2.5 inches. See it. One more. Little dude's coming towards me. Leave me alone, little buddy. We have a jumpy foil miscellaneous signal. Goes from 15 to 77. 4 inches. Thought I saw something cool. Gonna get excited. Can slaw. Oh man, what is that? Pepsi? No. Blue. Into the pouch. That was a good one. Got all excited. Welcome to the wrap up. As you can see, we had another great day at the beach. We found a sand grabber bracket, some tent pegs, bottle caps, super glue, pull tabs, a sinker, can slaw, 1 quarter, 1 dime, 3 pennies, and some shark teeth. If you liked what you saw, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe, my friends.